Hi, welcome back.
Hello.
Day 2. We've literally just woke up. We're going to go have breakfast downstairs, which we've got no idea what it's like, but it's supposed to be really good.
Yes.
Slept really well. The bed's probably the best bed I've slept on in any hotel we've been.
It was very comfy.
No noise whatsoever.
Oh yeah, that's the good thing. Actually, we're getting old.
We are getting old.
But you can't hit. I haven't heard a single other person in the hotel, considering there's lots of bars and that there.
Yeah, no.
And they were like, oh, it's a bit lively. Didn't hear a single thing.
I woke up at night going, where are we?
He went like this. I go, where are we?
He didn't even know.
So asleep, I was like, oh, I don't know.
That happens sometimes.
Every time we go away.
Well, yeah, I suppose every time.
Every time we go away.
I really like lose the bearings. And then I dreamt that Olivia Newton-John was alive, but she was dead, and I was like so confused about what was going on. But yeah, let's go get breakfast. We hope you enjoyed the last vlog. I'm sure it's done amazingly well with all that information we gave you.
Yeah, it's very informative.
Very informative. So let's do the most important thing now. Oh, do you know what? I actually poo this morning, which I don't normally do.
Oh, for God's sake.
I know we don't do this on holiday. I normally get blocked up, but something's working. So giving the people what they want.
They don't want that.
Well, if they're still here now, they want it. So I'm going for breakfast. Come on. Scrambled eggs, milk bread. I've always wanted to try milk bread. Some turkey. I can never say it. Pasta donata is the local dish. Ben's got an omelette with crisps on top. That's a new one. He's got some other paraphernalia to go with his egg and crisps. Hello. We've had breakfast and got ready. Breakfast was interesting. I liked breakfast. It had that milk bread, that Japanese bread that I want to try, and I thought I wouldn't ever be able to try it, but it was lovely.
I found it quite a strange phenomenon. Like, I did not expect the omelette to have crisps on it. So I don't think I'll be ordering that again.
I'm glad I didn't order that. I'd have been like...
I'm just going to go safe with bacon tomorrow, I think. Because you can order one thing, like special thing, and then the rest is just for whatever.
Like a bit of a buffet thing, but it was lovely.
I might just order eggs. Your eggs nice.
Oh, they were stunning. Scrambled eggs, probably one of the second best scrambled eggs I've had after Disney.
Oh, okay. My tattoos today.
Oh, she's serving and swerving.
Loads. I had a croissant for breakfast.
Oh, croissant. I tried
little cat ears.
I tried a little panasta for breakfast.
Pasta
donata for breakfast. Stunning.
What was it called?
Pasta donata.
No.
Sometimes it's in one ear, one out, straight out to the other. So I'm going to have a little bit of a potty. See what's about. It's going to be really hot today, so the aim of today is to stay cool and to chill and to get nice pickety bits and just be babies. So let's get cracking. There's a letter from Balmoral in the hotel. The Queen's Hospice thank you for our kind gift with them. They sent them a bottle of the Mateus Rosé. A bottle of this. Lisbon's very famous for this rosé. Lots of tiles. Lisbon's very famous for tiles.
That's me.
Very pretty, very ornate. It's stunning. It's very ornate. So we're about to see Lisbon's famous Pink Street. Oh, he's off, look, he's off. So it's famous for being pink. Everyone's doing the little photos and Ben look.
Literally. Can people see me?
Yeah.
It's literally people walking up and down, having like a photo shoot.
Not into
Maybe
that.
I will.
She's mopping Pink Street. Go on, love, mop that Pink Street.
That Pink Street. This is shall I do my impression of people?
Yeah, do your impression of people walking.
Fucking idiot.
Mural. Interesting street. I mean, I've seen better streets.
Huh?
I've seen better streets.
I've seen better streets.
Olivia Peak. Sort of tram there, look. Sea in the background, very traditional.
Oh, don't tell them there. A nice bit of like scaffolding.
No, I'm just keeping it real. That's Lisbon City Hall next to a bit of scaffolding. Just keeping it real. It's really nice and breezy today. So even though it should be like the devil's arse crack, it's really nice actually.
Some tap.
Yeah, just have a look at some tap. Lovely, there are some lovely tiles, though. Very intricate in their design. Very stunning. Very stunning. These were actually lifts built to take people from one level to the other. So like you will get a bit of knowledge on this channel, but I think that is the only thing you're gonna get. Ben looking absolutely mesmerised at the lift. There's lots to see in Lisbon. Lots of history. Oh, the Lift Hotel.
Yes, of course. 12.
Thank you.
Do you have the subway card or bus ticket?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's like Harry Potter.
For everyone listening, James likes an ale hop.
I do love the tap. I just love tap. Oh, it's right breezy. Wow. So we've gone from the base level to another level completely. Oh yeah. Oh, we're quids in here. Oh, so it was €6 each to get up here, and that'll get you up a trip up and a trip down, or just another trip up, however you want to do it. But
What do you mean another trip?
because you could walk down and go back up, couldn't you?
Oh, right.
Castle. That's Ben taking a picture of the castle. Little Christmas shop here. Getting ourselves ready for the Christmas in this 30-degree heat. We're back at Honest Greens because we're honest, and it's just we know it's going to be good food and we're starving. Ben's got some sort of well, I know mine's immunity boosting. I think Ben's
Mine's just nice.
energy. I think, yeah.
It's nice.
I'm having exactly the same food as yesterday, but I'm having a side. Well, actually, we're having two different sides this time, so you'll see those in a moment. So I've got some beetroot ravioli. Got our chicken dishes from yesterday. Chicken. It's like a lime chicken, I think. Then Ben's got some fries, which look gorgeous. They'll be devoured. And he's got to get us some more drinks. Yummy.
We've ordered quite a lot of food here, by the looks of things.
I've got a carrot juice and another immunity. We've had his food.
Yeah.
We've had about 20 refillable drinks. We brought some with us, so the vitamins and clitamins, as I would call them. And now we're off to a shopping centre to have a mooch. Gonna go to Muji because I want to see if I can get a bag.
Very hot now.
It is very hot now. And Ben wants to get some new pens.
all the way to Lisbon to
Yeah.
get some new highlighters.
Why not? Very, very bougie. That's the bridge that we crossed when we got off the lift. And now we're going to go find Muji and look at some shops on the way down. Ben's just crossing off his Muji pens that he wanted off at list.
Very excited.
Very exciting. I thought that was still a black up there. So even though it's... I actually got like a handheld Dyson.
Can you show everyone this? You understand why this nice lady in purple has a Dyson?
Very
Sort
chic.
of Hoover. She doesn't seem to be hoovering anything, if you ask me.
Oh, another tat shop that we're going to go in, which I absolutely love. Gorgeous fact. Do you know what? It's a gorgeous day today. It's windy, so it's not as bad, even though it is hot. It's alright. I know keep going about how hot it is, but it's hot. But it's really nice actually around here. That's an interesting building.
It is an interesting build.
We've just been accosted
Got
by...
Starbucks in it.
Yeah, it's got Starbucks in it. Some man's just tried to sell us Wii's. And I said he must have been looking at Ben with his tattoos and thought it was rough because he couldn't be looking at me because I'm too pure.
And you're wearing Gucci sunglasses.
And I'm wearing Gucci glasses.
When I was rough.
Oh. Ooh, anybody fancy a sweet treat? I don't know why, but that reminds me of something, that one. Yeah, there's the feeling. We're off to find a cathedral now. Found our way to the cathedral. That breeze seems to have disappeared, so it's even hotter.
What's disappeared?
That breeze.
Oh yeah. That breeze is gone. It's gone.
This is the view from the cathedral. That cross over there, it's got the St. David on it. Is it St. David? Yeah, that's the only fact you're going to get for today. Right, we're on the way back to the hotel. We're going to get some drinks, water, and we're going to have a little bit of a nap. We've decided that a lot of places in Lisbon stink of a piss or poo. It's very Venice, like, this must be a problem with drains, but a lot of places stink. We've had a couple of hours rest.
I think more than a couple.
Maybe about 4. We're actually going to go out. We're all dressed. Ben's got his little rabbit. Some bag.
Light went out.
And we're at Boy Scouts today.
Or Girl Scouts.
On Girl Scouts.
Or Day Scouts.
Day Scouts, yeah, it's very trendy. And then we're going to go find something to eat. We're going to have a little jaunt around the neighbourhood and see what we can get. But first in, it's very much the vibe in here. Loving the music. Just got some chicken gyozas to start with our gorgeous Fanta and Coke Zero, which is gorgeous. So I have got the chicken pad thai, and then
I've got nasi goreng.
nasi goreng. I love
Chicken
it.
and rice and stuff, basically. And maybe an egg.
It looks
What's it with
absolutely...
me having eggs today?
Is it egg?
Is it egg?
Is it egg? You get your bill in one of these now. I thought it'd be sweets in it, but there's nothing in it.
What did you think it was?
I thought it'd be sweets in it, yeah. So that's where we've just been. I would give it 10 out of 10. Honestly, the pad thai was stunning. I got too much noodles, but I'm not...
it like 9.
No. Oh God.
It was very
Yeah.
nice, but I've eaten at better places.
Yeah. It's a little bit hot. I think that's my lips are a bit red. So we're gonna get a nice ice cream and cool down. So we're going back to Time Out, the Time Out building.
I don't even know what I asked for. No, I don't.
Just getting ice cream at the best ice cream in Lisbon.
I don't even know what I got.
What did you get? Did you panic?
Yeah. Are you telling? Am I?
Yeah, I can tell.
Melon, chocolate,
Yeah.
strawberry, and I think it's hazelnut underneath. When James asks for his flavours, ask for your flavours. I'll be the lady.
I said, can I have coconut, chocolate, and marmalade? Yeah,
I
sure.
just never heard that combination.
Look at
before.
it. Look at it. How stunning it is. And look at mine. Stunning. So I think all those flavours did work well together. So that woman obviously doesn't know what she's talking about. With her judgmental looks. Allegedly, it's the best ice cream in Lisbon. I'd say it was not really much difference to the one we had the other day at the Time Out place.
I'll tell you why they can make it better. Ban children. There's a child over there in Rat Prat.
Yeah, about it. This is the street we're on. It's very hustle and bustle, but you can't hear none of this from our room, which is quite lovely atmosphere. We're going back to the hotel. We're going to get washed. We're going to get in bed, putting the aircon as low as possible, and then we're going to watch YouTube and all sorts of rubbish and go to sleep.
We are.
So we'll see you tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night and toodaloo.
Farewell. Goodbye.
Bye bye.